Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Hafiz Mumara. In this video, I will present about result and discussion of international journal with title Internet of Things based product or service process and challenges on developing the business model. Action research result. During diagnosing stage of the action research, it was clear that the company had difficulties to define the broader business model for its two IoT-based product. Thus, at first, we decided to focus on the specific product, the smart door lock. The main motivation to be addressed during the research were how to create a technological and business platform to extend it for several IoT-based products and to establish a business model suitable for the smart door lock with the participant of current business partner of the company or not. The company intend to develop the smart door lock using open platforms and allowing the use of application programming interface or APIs so that other people could develop software for other IoT based product. The owner believed that the smart door lock is an attractive product for hotels, for example, allowing the consumption of virtual keys and also for domestic use, permitting the entering of specific people at specific times. After planning the action, considering the BMC as the framework for business modeling, a set of meetings was held to generate the model. We describe in summary how each component of the business model for the smart door lock was designed. Customer segment. Two customer segments for the smart door lock were identified: domestic user and business user. This component of the business model was evaluated by the research participant as one of the most important, and the partner emphasized that is one of the most difficult to define, not only for IoT-based product but for other product in the company portfolio. For instance, a key issue is to identify not only the target consumer income level but also their level of familiarity with IT use. Value proposition. The main values perceived by the two types of customer, domestic and business, whereas as an example, we can highlight security service related to the smart door lock, ease of generating copies of digital keys, access the traffic report, among other. Customer relationship. The certain of a website for the product or smart door lock was required, as well as pages on social media where customers could comment and share their experience with the product, helping to promote it. And app would be another way to interact after offer an online chat for support and resolution of queries and complaints in general. Another form of relationship, especially with business customer, is the participation in the threshold and technology conference. Channels. One of the owners raised the importance of offering the product is major online marketplace. However, there was no consensus about this move. The other owner argued that this type of product would not be sold in this kind of stores, only in the specials in lots. So it would be interesting to use a network of partners to distribute the product. For instance, of partnership with a traditional local manufacturers of lock, which could use a commercial channel. Key partners. During the definition of this component, one of the owner mentioned that key activities. Some key activities are the development of embedded software in the smart door lock, the software that goes in the cold middleware, and smartphone app. Besides software development, there is also the application maintenance of the development software. Other activities mentioned were distribution of product in detail outlets or via the web. The session of business model, we wondered how Delta would develop and maintain the software given the company had no expertise and staff for doing this. It indicates the need of having new partner, a company specialized in software development. Key resource. During the design of this component, the focus was on identifying the human communication team responsible for promoting and disseminating the innovative product, as well as an external consultancy for patenting the smart door lock or a product innovation, at least to the national market at that time. Cost structure. Cost of raw materials, labor cost of the cool service and software providers, freight and distribution cost, taxes and costs with advertising were some of the items mentioned. Other costs are storage, warehouse, headquarters, rental and commission to the sellers. Cost revenue source. Revenue source could come from the monthly payment of service provided via the Cult platform and extra fees for using the software. Revenues from additional service include access a larger period coverage for traffic report and extra case additional service log. The rental of equipment, the business segment would be a possible source of revenue, and also the sale of the smart product OEM contracts. After designing the BMC of smart door lock, the first step of evaluation phase of the action research was to identify the challenge faced in this process. Overall, the Delta managed evaluate the experience of creating the business model as positive and useful, which also helped them to think and gain insight for other IoT-based product that could be created in the discussion. The first lesson that can be learned through the action research with Delta is that the process of business modeling an IoT-based product or service expand the view of individual film and needs to be extended to rule the film wants to pay in the IoT ecosystem. To decide upon what sort of product or service is going to be offered by firm is related to its position in a broader value chain. For example, Earth and Wits 2017 proposed their main types of industrial IoT enabled business models. 1. To the provision of manufacturing asset, their maintenance, repair, and operation. 2. Innovate informational and analytical services that support manufacturing. 3. New service to end user or for intense consumption by integrating end user into manufacturing and supply chain ecosystem. These types are similar to a typology of IoT business model pointed out by Burkitt 2014 and Sariko Westergen and Blomqvist 2017, which highlight four main types of player in the IoT ecosystem. Enables those firms to develop, implement, and maintain the fundamental IoT technology infrastructure. These are technology companies, embedded companies that apply IoT technologies to improve their operation and optimize their business process, or which include many manufacturing firms, but do not offer an IoT solution for their clients. And engagers firms that create their own connect product. They design, develop, integrate, and deliver IoT service to customer. For instance, by linking a washing machine and to the internet, the appliance maker captures a wealth of data about how the device is used. Enchanters are the firms that devise their own value add service on top of the service that reframe and repackage the product or end service of the engagers. The Delta challenge was to transform itself into engager. In this case, they should develop a set of capability of research such as software development to offer service based to need develop partnership to pay his new rule is promoted. Another valuable insight from the Delta experience is that traditional products such as door lock can be completely through certification, but it is a big challenge to define the service that actually generate real value for consumers, or also highlighted by Earth and Wheels 2017, Leminem et al. 2015, Forter and Helpman 2014, and Feodo 2013. In the case of the smart door lock, the convenience generated by service providers such as permitting the entering of specified people and specified times, example victories and work, etc., or the provision of security information and report on people's circulation are very important. Experimenting on specific pilot project is important because the IoT adaptation is nothing research a mass market. There no killing application of until now. It is also necessary to rethink the value captured for IoT based product or service. Once that the IoT increase the opportunity For certification, exemplary business models patterns can include rent instead of buy subscription, premium rather and blade and add-on. Assets that have not traditionally been viewed as such, for example, traffic, content, and eyeballs, can generate new revenues, but still are poorly explored by firms. Delta will define revenue model from service and information provided by the smart door lock for customer. For instance, through the proposition or additional case or granting the collection of vast amounts of privacy sensitive data. For instance, in this case, in the case of the smart door lock, data on circulation people in private and public space. Okay, I think that's all. If I have any mistake, please forgive me. And the last, I say thanks.